welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for watching. So today's video, I just recorded this everyday makeup look. So this is more of like an everyday look or like a everyday glam, because every day I don't do all this, but it's very simple, it's really easy, so I figured I would just go ahead and record it for you guys, especially since it was requested. So that's what I'm doing for y'all today. So before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that way you're subscribed to my channel and you don't miss any videos from me. This is a very easy makeup look. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the new liner from Benefit. I've been using it for like a week and a half now, and yeah, y'all are gonna see how I feel about it. So yeah, that's just a couple of things that's gonna be going on into this video. I don't want the intro to be super long, so I'm gonna stop talking. So if you want to see how I create this makeup look right here, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so getting started, I already have my brows done. I don't really have a middle ground when it comes to brows. Either they're on or they're off. I don't really fill in my brows just like a little bit. I'm either filling them in or I'm just not going to fill them in at all. So yeah, I already have my brows done. Now we're going to move on to face. So I'm starting with my skin hydrated. My skin felt extra dry because I did like a peel today. So it feels extra dry. So if it looks shiny, it's because I have some oil on it and I just use like argan oil. And I'm gonna prime my skin using a hydrating primer. I was gonna use something new, but I'm looking at my primers and I need something really hydrating. And the most hydrating ones that I have are from Too Faced and Smashbox. And the one from Smashbox I can't find because I need to clean my area. But yes, I'm gonna use my tried and true Too Faced hangover primer. This looks disgusting, like mine looks disgusting, but I'm gonna use this. It has coconut water. It's just super hydrating. It is like my favorite primer. I have two favorites. This is one of them. So y'all, I did my own braids. Don't really look at them too close because they actually look really bad. This is my first time ever doing like braids. And yeah, I didn't do the best job, but you know, they're already in my head and I'm gonna keep them in for at least a week. I really am feeling a little extra dry, so I'm just gonna take my argan oil from Josie Maran and just do like literally like the smallest amount. I can't stand when people drip all that damn oil in their face. It's like you don't need that much fucking oil. So now I'm gonna take my Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Primer and I'm just gonna take that and just smooth it like right here in the center of my face where I have larger pores. Alright, now my foundation, it's a stick foundation, but it's pretty much gone because I've used it all. So I have to dig it out. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this is in the shade 500. I feel like the stick foundations are maybe a little darker than the regular foundations because in the regular Teint Idole foundation from Lancome, the 500 is it's not dark enough for me. So yeah, I'm not sure if I look kind of orange on camera, but the shade is actually a really good shade. So now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer, and it's in the shade C13. Now, I like this concealer, but I want it to be a little brighter, like a little more golden. And then the one that's below this is, I think it's like just too light. So I'm going to take my Wine concealer. This was the one I did my initial review with, and this was the one that was too light. And then I bought another one that was in the right shade and I completely used that one, but this one right here was a little too light, so I'm just mixing a little bit of it on top of the Makeup Revolution concealer just to give me some extra brightness because the Makeup Revolution concealer is just not bright enough. So yeah, the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm going to use that to bake while I'm doing my eye makeup. So I'm just taking a little bit on my sponge and just pressing it under the eye. See, I like to take a little bit and like press it all the way in first and then put excess on to bake. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just putting a little bit and actually pressing it in. Especially where I have like under eye creases, because I have natural like under eye like lines, so I have to do that first, and then I take like the extra and just, you know, do this. Alright, so now while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eye makeup. It's very simple, like it's really nothing, honestly. So I'm gonna take my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to take and then I'm gonna take the Anastasia shadow in the shade Sienna, which is this like burnt orange shade right here. I'm gonna use, whoop, I dropped it. Where'd it go? I can't see it, I don't have my glasses on. And what this is just doing is really just defining my eye, you know, giving it some, you know, definition, adding a little warmth to the crease, so it looks like I did something, you know. So what did y'all do for New Year's? I just went to one of my coworkers' house, and then two of my coworkers came back here, and we just like chilled. I brought in the New Year looking a mess. I didn't even post on Snapchat, on Instagram, on anything, because I just looked a mess, So yeah, we're not doing a lot on the eye. This is honestly pretty much it for the eye, like for real. It's just adding this to my crease as a transition shade, and my eyes are a little brighter because I put concealer on them, so I don't really need anything else. So that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. Now we're about to go and get into liner. And I'm gonna use the new roller liner from Benefit, and it is their Roller Liner Precision Matte Liquid Liner. That's what it's called. It says that the liner launches on January 4th. I don't know if this video is going to be up by then, but January 4th is when the liner is supposed to launch, and it comes in black and brown. It says that it is 24-hour waterproof, won't fade, flake, bleed, or smudge, glides on smoothly to create a precise line that quick dries to a true matte finish. And it's going to be available in a big size for 22, and then it's going to be available in a travel size for 12. And honestly, I've already used the liner. I actually already recorded this video, but it didn't turn out right. So this isn't like a first impressions of the liner. I've actually been using it for like a week now, and I really like it. I really like the liner. It's super black. It's super easy to use. It has a really big like felt tip, but it's really easy to use, and it just glides on so easy. Now I might do a wing today just for the sake of showing y'all how the liner, like, you know, is, but every day, like, I wouldn't wear like a liner, wing liner. I just messed it up. Damn it. Okay, my liner is gonna be a little thicker than I wanted it to be because I messed up. Damn. And I'm not sure if you guys just see like how smooth and how easy the pen is gliding. It's even super easy to get that precise tip, because you know how some liners, like on the tip there's actually no product, on the very tip is product, so you can get that really sharp wing. So that's one eye. Alright, my camera overheated, but I just went ahead and finished off my liner. Now I'm about to dust off this excess powder and finish. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish my eyes. So I'm just sweeping away. And you guys, this was a Laura Mercier translucent powder, and y'all see I'm sweeping it away, and I mean, I don't look ashy. I know a lot of people use the powder and they say, like, you know, they look ashy when they use it. I have no issues with using this powder, baking with this powder, and then still not looking ashy. And I do have a deeper complexion. I do feel like if you use too much, you can look ashy, so just use less. So this liner is an extension of like the roller lime or whatever, and this mascara I've been using for a minute, and it's one of my favorite mascaras. I recently just been wearing it for like the past couple of weeks because I just got a new one, but I was reminded of how much I like it. Y'all, this mascara is a bomb. It coats every single lash and it pulls it out, holds a curl, doesn't clump. So for lashes, I'm gonna pop on these real cheap lashes I just bought from my my local like beauty supply store, and they are the Cherry Blossom lashes. These right here, they're only $2. Only $2. So I'm gonna pop these on. These lashes are cute as fuck, y'all. Alright, so now just to finish off the eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs pencil liner and run it in my waterline. This one works really well in my waterline, even though my eyes water all the time. They're actually watering right now. Yeah, but this liner holds up pretty well. So I'm going to run that all in my waterline. Now this eyeshadow is called Deep Plum from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just going to take it and smudge it on the lower outer corner of my eye. Alright, so now to finish off the face, I'm going to take the Sephora contour kit and I'm going to use the darker shade in there, which is this one, just to contour my cheeks. This is one of the only contour kits I have, honestly. I have this one and then I have the one from Ulta. That one contours me too. Alright, and now I'm taking my CoverGirl Clean Bronzer. You already know the deal. And I'm gonna add some bronze. So I got a question for y'all, and I'm gonna put y'all on a mission. I need y'all to tell me some more bronzers. I know I'm supposed to be telling y'all, right? But leave below some bronzers that are okay for like darker skin. Because right now I have two. I have one from CoverGirl and then I have one from Morphe. I know Guerlain, we used to make one. But I haven't seen it. That shade they used to make, I haven't seen it. So I'm not sure if they stopped making that shade. But yeah, leave a comment below because I know y'all tired of me using the same bronzer. So if y'all know some new ones, let me know. And now adding a little bit of blush. My everyday blush is from M.I.A. It's called Raizin. Just looks like this. And I like to apply that with a beauty blender. This is the perfect, like, natural everyday blush for like my skin tone. Alright, so now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with Topaz from Becca. But before that, I'm going to spray my face with the primer water from Smashbox. If I can find it. One, to give my skin a more skin-like appearance. It looks a little powdery right now because my skin is so dry. And applying the spray first also like adds like a little extra oomph to the highlighter. My whole lip, all the products are from NYX. I'm using their lip liner in the shade Espresso to line my lips, and I'm just doing a nude. Alright, so that's the lip liner, and now I'm gonna take their liquid suede. It's like their liquid lips. I'm gonna take the one in Sandstorm. And then just to finish it off, I'm gonna take the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu and pop that in the center of my lip. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it for this video. I hope y'all really enjoyed it. If there's any videos you want to see from me or any products that you want to see me try, definitely leave me a comment below. That way I can check them out. But yeah, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.